What is up, guys? I've been trying to figure out how I could possibly delete my AC system for my Mazdaspeed. Now, I think I've come up with a pretty good way of deleting it that will also relocate the alternator. But in this video, I'm going to go over why you should delete your AC system, all the benefits, and then in the next video, I'm going to go over how you can delete your AC system. Alright guys, there's 3 points that I want to go over on why you should delete your AC system. Now the first is obviously weight. As you can see, this compressor right here, it's probably pretty freaking heavy. It's got to be at least 15 to 20 pounds. Then you also have this condenser right here, which has got to weigh a little bit. Of course, all the lines that come with it, but not only would you lose 30 to 40 pounds, but if you look at a Mazdaspeed, this is my Mazdaspeed 6, but if you look at it, the AC compressor and the condenser both sit at the front of the car. The condenser probably sits about there and the compressor is about there on the engine. But if you think about it, this car is a lot front end heavy because the engine and transmission are both in front of the car. It's probably a 60-40 balance ratio, if not worse. So removing any weight from the front, especially when it's really far in front, because the AC condenser sits way up front, it probably would improve handling drastically. So I think at the end of the day, for a racing application or performance in general, deleting the whole AC system would actually improve the handling quite a bit. Now the second point that I want to talk about is actually cooling. Now if you think about it, this condenser sits right in front of the radiator. So it's probably blocking quite a bit of airflow to the radiator. So I would think if you didn't have that, it would actually drastically improve your cooling. Now, Mazdaspeeds actually don't have a problem with cooling. They usually stay pretty cold, and the thermostat doesn't even open until like 220. So it's really not a big deal, but if you were in a racing application, it probably would be really, really helpful to, you know, stay a lot colder. If you had like 20-degree colder coolant temps, you'd probably be able to take a few more laps or at least not hurt your car, because at the end of the day, if you run your car really hot, that's probably what blows it up. So definitely the cooling would be a huge benefit of deleting my AC. The third and final point of why you should delete your AC system is that obviously the car would be a little bit more reliable because you didn't have to worry about the compressor or the AC condenser going out. So it would be nice to not have to worry about those two items going out, especially when you already have a lot of other components that could go out on a Mazdaspeed. So it would be nice to just gain a little bit of reliability. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your AC system. It's actually really easy. You just have to buy a special alternator, but don't worry, I'll go over all the details tomorrow. Hope you guys like today's video on why you should delete your AC system. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.